Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a REALME C73 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. And when you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of REALME. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on REALME, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!